Yeah guys, so the road took a toll on the car. Nothing major still, but... So friends, this vlog is the vlog I promised. It didn't turn out as I promised because I had car trouble and got stuck in the hills, you know, but it was fun overall with my mom and my friends. So remember, you can subscribe to Elite Jamaica by clicking the red subscribe button and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. And well, no, I don't drink and drive, peeps. Watch the vlog. Bless. Yeah guys, I promised you this vlog and trust me, got you wholly put this together. This vlog is gonna be from a place called Duckworth in St. Thomas. That's near to Morant, one of them places. But however, I'm gonna try to get as far as I can to Blue Mountain Peak. You understand? And this is what I drive. Show them what I drive down. That's fine. So, I'm not sure if I go reach or not, but yeah, trust me, I have something to see. So you know, Jamaica is the pearl of the Caribbean. So all of Jamaica is just like an attraction. Right now, I've got a lot in store for you guys. Going up to Penline Castle, you're gonna see a lot. So here we're going. Right now, a funeral are going. Persons are actually going to a funeral in a place called the Grove. As you can see, that's how they do it in Jamaica, just like this. Catch that.
Yeah. Yeah, if you don't know about it, must stop me, bro.
So that's basically Cedar Valley about 3 miles. About 3 miles. So basically they're asking directions. So basically look like we're going to have traffic and them thing there. We're not going to enjoy it. So follow me. Don't go and go do it. No, it's a YouTube, Elite Jamaica. Subscribe to my channel, please.
Okay. Alright, boss. Watchman right here. Look at that. Look at that. Watchman here.
I'll send it to my phone.
Can I send it to my phone?
Elite Jamaica, subscribe. So guys, it's a beautiful scenery. As you know, I told you guys that St. Thomas is very beautiful. It's just that it's kind of, you know, a bit back way. The roads are not good and all of that. But anyway, I can see what I go on now. Yeah, so guys, we leave now and we're actually up on the road. I try to reach up there. So the road them stay, people.
I wanted, man.
Oh, you know, girl?
Yeah, so.
Yeah, we are carrying you. Yeah, police.
That's what I wrote by that. I'm going.
So, when I never said Corona, we are
Prisoner them?
One country.
Let out the prisoner them through Corona the boat.
Yeah, man, you want to go to the prison.
Let them out and make them go on Ireland.
We go fight Corona, man.
We go fight Corona?
Yeah.
But if you can't see it, you can't catch it.
But mine was a run like me a Corona.
Serious in the car? She says she have Corona. My mother says she have Corona. She have the virus. Like people, seriously, she says she have Corona. I'm not about to go now. See her? That's my mom.
Do you?
She know that in that video, but yeah. That's my mom, peeps.
Bless her.
Long time I don't want to see her. See her. But she says she have Corona. I don't understand. Anyway. Yeah, so the video lady, I'm gonna notice that she go to get instructions sometimes, guys. It's not like it's a video lady, I don't like that. It's just somebody who hold the camera. So yeah. Oh yeah, we can't take out the cut them on them things. Nobody not there.
Oh.
Come on, catch all them things here. Only by clipping and editing.
Put her on one side of the front of the bonnet to drive on the you put her on the back.
So far as I come, since I left St. Thomas, I have to just open it.
We don't know when you cut it out?
Oh, but it's a mystery on it.
Yeah, I'm going to cut out, but
Right.
then I don't know what I'm going to go on. YouTube about art from you know.
Oh.
I do one video a day will not even monetize. Something I really know. But peeps, I don't know how it go. YouTube kinda I go through some changes. I really have to be careful as to the content. As to the content
Yeah, see
and
what I am so.
the type of content and how I put the content out, because otherwise from that the video not gonna monetize, and if the video is not monetized and my videos are not being monetized, then I wouldn't be able to create videos like these. Alright, so wanna enjoy the scene. You wanna eat all the food?
Your food is there, no, we're not going to hear for the food where you have there for you.
Here goes to peeps, she talk standard English, she talk nice, cause she
I
rap
don't know,
like.
say something. No, sir, come on.
And yeah, anyway, I love them stuff for there.
Just me that.
Yeah.
I found that.
Mr. Donald did live over. I don't know live over them place.
Mr. Donald's.
Oh, when it's so pretty.
Parish Davon family in the place. Oh yeah. You can put sit that under the wheel, under the car.
Yeah, say what we have, you know.
Yeah.
That's what we have to do.
Yeah? Where is it?
That's not nice.
When I reach up, so I want video more.
Tell me when this
Video
happening.
say, no, Tafa can't drive up there, so that road there. Say, your video with Tafa drive.
No, I'm not going to do that on that road. I swear. That car stressed me too much already, Grace. I swear. Peeps, I know they even know. I'm not even going at that.
Far away.
My coolie drive there.
I can't vlog and video at the same time. Somebody have to hold the camera.
Hey!
Them there burn out Tesla.
Dude, I like them look up there.
Long time.
I don't far away, I go, right? That's what.
You don't video everything. It's soon cut. You can't cut and you can't stop yourself. Cut. So guys, we finally reach a Nest Castle. Reach a Nest Castle now, and we I will take the road there. You see the road look pretty. It's not all that. I'm going to show you a part of the road. The road really bad. We reach a Nest Castle and we are trying to reach Penline Castle right now. Penline Castle like about 3 hours away. You know, I'm not arguing all of that stuff, cut up and all of that. But I have something interesting for you guys. Just stay till the end of the video. Come in, follow me.
I don't like Johnny.
Yeah, what? Guys, what is here?
I can't this anybody.
Am I what are this? Am I what are this?
Where are they?
No, maybe I'll carry it.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Alright, this is somebody's. I just get the idea of me to stop this up. And just, I don't hear me, some just dark, some of them think about coronavirus, is it? And they answer. Anybody me can get the video and get them. Which dog?
Before we pass.
Nothing. Oh. No, remember nobody.
When I know what teeth people in dog, I'm on the say I phone
The people and thief my dog.
But I never phone the dog when I go back with teeth. All me I tell you no say.
My thief, I go back for the dog and the dog look like my one, just like my dog, you know, but you are going, it's a woman dog.
What then take the dog? And haul me the pan. No, I know where dog in there again? Rain?
I don't remember.
I say no, I know him this, I know him. Then till take the dog. I say I know him, then till take the dog. But the dog the big and
Hey, Tafa, you remember the Akita house last night?
Yeah.
Yo, the Akita.
Let me see if I can find the dog for my son. Yeah, them clean. Boyfriend over there, they're trying to be good.
I don't know.
Yes, I do long time. Yes, I don't know what they have now. Yes, I do long time.
You have no idea? Long time.
Long time over out here now, yes, sir. Over there. I regular become patrol up here now. That police. We used to spend holiday up at that place, eh?
Hello, Douglas, Mr. Douglas?
Yeah, Pastor Douglas.
Them taxi money and them car money have something where them know when one next car come around the corner. But if you see me come from up here, they're not going to know me I come, so I have to blow.
Taxi bad road there. The taxi not up here.
The people who drive up here.
The van them. It's what color green or the van and the other van.
So start the bad part now.
Yeah, the bad parts look like that banana more good road.
So business the money done.
Right, that's how the money done.
So we don't
We
do
get about 2
the
minutes out of this and then cut, is it?
I was mixing and cut it.
Yeah.
You know, because
Let us see that try show. Let us see that try show the whole of the people them say, yo. I know the whole of the road stays so.
Right.
The road bad.
Why?
that precipice here, but it's not so deep.
Show him it, no?
You want that precipice here?
Think of the times you have wasted and the days you are gone.
So this is where the road started to get bumpy. My passengers had to exit the vehicle and walk so that the bottom of the car would not touch the road. Really a bumpy ride. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, so the road took a toll on the car. Not major still, but I have a little metal thing on the car where it break off. I'm not going to show you still. I think it like hold the muffler or something like that. It's not something that, it's not mechanical, it's not electrical. So what I'm actually planning to do is remove it, because it will draw up on the ground and the road low and all of that. The car low in the road, Ilang Gully, as far as you guys see. Yeah, so I'm gonna actually be removing the piece from under the car, as my friend actually helped me right now. So I'm showing it still. So I'm showing it. One.
I got this, I'll get something tied up. It's not, come on.
So this is it, guys. That little metal thing there. If somebody can tell me what that really needed, what it needed under the car, I'm gonna tell me still is it. So yeah, I have to get that sort out. So right now, we'll move on same way. Alright?
Oh, nice piece of pizza, I not like. Yes.
So that was the Mavis Bank River, and when we were leaving, persons were telling us that it makes no sense we go because we wouldn't be able to cross the river with a car, and furthermore they said the river would have been rough because of the rain and all of that, but we made it through, and yeah, we're just thankful say everything work out for work. Now from here the road kind of got a little bit better, but not as good as it should be. Yeah guys, so basically we get the thing fixed and all of that. I have a little piece of iron. I'm going to show you guys that in a short while. But now we're at a place called, what's the name? What's the name? What's the name, bro? Right now we're at a place called Ugly's Gap. Trust me people, I think a pen line can see me reach, but come like me not reach nowhere yet. So what I'm going to do, because you guys notice how the road is, I'm not going to go back on that road. I'm going to try to get around Papine, and yeah, that's what I'm going to try to get around Papine. So I'll get back to you guys shortly along in the journey, because you know me have to save space and all of that. Right now some food me there eating, bring my dinner with me. It's Sunday. Cut. Not nice. Barely clear the room now. Where's the cup? I don't have no cup.
It's well not cut there.
Yeah, I'll go front there.
That's you do.
Yeah peeps, so we I think we're almost at Papine or somewhere. I think we're at Mavis Bank. The road kinda better. We're heading to Papine right now. The road kinda better, but you know me still look for patrol because this road is like I can't really read a color, what I read the note. Anyway, I can't find her. I don't find it, me send it and give you guys in the mail. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do when I get to Papine, I'm gonna do another part of the vlog. I'm not sure if that's gonna be the closing, but me have a surprise for you as me telling you to come at the end. So you see me, we're gonna do that, and yeah, just give me a little time peeps.